ready, Ryan? Ryan. You ready?
Yeah.
Huh. You gonna get them ducks or what? Limits, redheads. Down, the thing got stuck.
Oh, I got stuck.
I'm sure digging down in the whole boat. Oh, we almost got it. So you guys just got done watching a clip of me and my son out duck hunting some redheads, bluebills, had a ring neck, and kind of slayed the ducks, got limits. Really good outfitter down in Tallahassee. We went with Chris Williams. Pretty good outfitter. Probably gonna go there next season. Actually, I think we're gonna do a video here soon of some triple tails out there in Tallahassee. So pretty good, but right now just want to talk to you guys about the shotgun shells. Been having an extremely hard time trying to find some. Finally found a box called Max Prairie Wings. They had a couple of boxes up there. Didn't have really good pick. I mean, last time I got a box of these guys, heavy steel, they're okay. They did pretty good, but I was shooting Kent's for a while, that fast steel. It says American logo on the package, but I have a feeling their main factory is in Canada. So that's probably one of the reasons why I guess we can't get any of these shotgun shells right now. I guess maybe they assemble them in the United States. I don't know. Comment down below what's the whole deal with the American flag and then they're made in Canada. I don't know. But we got some heavy shots. Was able to order a whole case. We got these bad boys right here. The heavy shots, long range, heavyweight. Didn't come this far to miss. So we'll try these out. They're supposed to be better than these, but I don't know. I haven't shot them yet. Got the number 2 shot. I'm gonna try it out. Big duck season. I need to still get teal shot, but I think I'm waiting on Boss. I want to get the 3s and the 5s. I want to try those out. I know they got some new short shells. I wanted to try those out by Bosch. See if they do good. For right now, like I said, I was shooting Kent, but I can't get them. They were doing okay, but I know heavy metal. They can really they're good name and good brand. So we'll see how those do. That's just a little bit of a review of what's going on with the products lately. Very hard to get shotgun shells. So crazy right now. I don't know. Bass Pro Shop absolutely doesn't have anything. They even took all the space where they had the shotgun shells and stuffed it with a bunch of other stuff. So I have a feeling they're not gonna get any more. And then while we were on that trip, I went and had this picture made. Me and my son. If you can see it over here, let me get the angle right. Holding up a bluebill. Got the redheads, obviously loaded up limits. I think we were only allowed 1 each on the bluebills, which was crazy. And then two redheads. But the guides, they were cool enough to let us keep the ducks. So that was pretty awesome of them. I'm gonna go back next year and should be good. I want to try out those Boss shots. Everyone's been making a big deal of them over the internet. We'll see how that goes. I guess they sent me an email saying order now, get it in August. So I'm gonna order me a box of them, the three 5s. Those are what the guys were using up there, and they were slaying them. So try it out, see what we can do. Maybe this year I might try to get me a Beretta. I want to try a Beretta. I've been using the Benelli Super Eagle 3, but I don't know if I really quite like it as much as the Beretta. So I might try to get the Beretta. We'll stay tuned, see what happens.